It's basically new me. I have to learn everything again.
You may have noticed there the AJ stickers. Get well soon, stay strong, AJ stickers, of course. The big man on the Rockstar Energy Husqvarna, number 7, Arminas Jasikonis.
That's it, so it's a steady season for you this year?
Yes.
Perfect. Well, best of luck with the races and great to see you back. Thank you.
Thank you.
He wants to make it 171. He's got just over a lap to do it. Oh, squeaky bum time for AJ.
Everything started so last year that beginning of the season wasn't the best, but slowly we were getting into it.
2019-2020 winter, we continued the hard work, and we could see that he was getting stronger and stronger, you know, and he was able to do his raw high speed, you know, not only for 10 minutes or 15 minutes, but he was able to bring that to 20 to 25 minutes.
AJ is a handful of corners or more from taking a race win. A Lithuanian has never won an MXGP race.
Then we came back to Latvian GP and 3 GPs there, and everything was going just so good. Every GP was going better and better. I was living my life, to be honest.
Penultimate turn, Arminas Jasikonis, Rockstar Energy Husqvarna, factory racing, is lining up the final turn. The checkered flag awaits. Arminas Jasikonis wins the race.
I can honestly tell that he was for sure speed-wise, strength-wise, ability-wise, he was for sure top 3 in the world.
Of course, came the time where it came to MANTOVA. Everything was going quite good, but then suddenly one not the biggest crash, but yeah, just ends up everything.
Jasikonis, though, ahead of these guys, looking to try and square off of Bogus. Right, Jasikonis in 7th place. He and Jacobi.
I kept telling, while he was laying there, I kept telling to myself that, come on, wake up, come on, AJ, stand up, you know, like.
It's really difficult. That day, it was really hard to remember. Yeah, just all day. I can remember some stuff, but really blurry. Even the days before, it's not the best, is blurry.
Okay, come nearby me. Okay. You're very tall. You're a mountain.
Thank you.
Nobody expected it, that AJ would wake up from the medical coma, you know, but he really woke up himself, you know. He had so big will inside of him that he actually woke up himself. We did 2 years of hard work, and he climbed up on top of the world and was able to win a moto, was able to finish on a podiums, was able to make pole positions, but now we are some way or another starting from level 0 again to build it up, and it just takes time, nothing else, and hard work.
So if you stand on a line, and I will, so if you follow, we could go immediately for the one eye.
How are you? Good. My only problem, what it is my eyes a little bit. Like my one eye is good.
We had a good help, like professionals to that area, and brain really is like a complicated thing. If you put the complete brain on the floor, it's 4 football fields, like the area, and the signals, how they go there, and when there's some damages, you need to learn the signals to go the new path and new roads there, and that for sure takes time, and there's special exercises that can be done. Eyes open, closed, and hard. So you're ready? Yes. So starts now. 10 seconds. Mostly it was balance training and also to connect the vision to how to move the body and connect it to balance, and kind of those pathways are the first ones to make good, and then you can proceed forward. But at that time there was no hurry for elevating heart rate or anything like that. It was mostly just balance and all the neurological parts. Good. Come back. Okay, then stay on balance. I will give the kicks. Mission impossible. Okay. But that's just that we don't know before the injury how it was. Yes. Yeah, and also the coordination is maybe not so good, but still we cannot measure how it was before and now.
Ciao Tommy.
How is it?
All good, how are you?
Shall we go?
Okay. Yes, we go running. Even when I came back on the bike, it was feeling like I can ride, because all the time before that day when I sit on the bike, all the time I had question, can I still do this? Will I have still feeling for riding and everything?
It was like a miracle, you know, and I told to him that go slowly. AJ, everything what I told to you before that go fast and push, you know. This time I told that don't push.
She's ready.
When I started riding, I knew straight away that I have a touch, I have everything. Of course, my vision was still not perfect, and when it was bumpy, it was a little bit tough for my vision and everything.
Good, AJ. Was good riding. You felt okay?
My head it's still okay, but it's like not so good, like not perfect. You know?
Yeah. But okay, now it gets shorter all the time, so just keep the focus and push.
Okay.
Don't get too happy yet.
Yeah, that's the thing, I always get too happy.
Yeah.
Rolling speed.
Also balance things in the turns. I was either oversteering or maybe not steering enough.
Few times it looked like where I was standing, the next left, that it washed out a bit the front.
Yeah, I a little bit turned too much.
Leaned too much, so yeah, okay.
With the ice, it went quite much away. Like, I mean, in a couple of weeks it went away. But like balance things.
Let's say that he's always been really good on the sand tracks, and when there's a flow and can keep up speed all the time, he's for sure one of the best in the world in those kind of conditions. When he can rail outside berms, and when it's rutty and bumpy, he just comes all the time better.
How has been your road to recovery?
Yeah, it's taking quite a while. I mean, we are still kind of on a recovery road, but it's been good. I'm really blessed that I can be here racing, because it could have ended much worse. But I'm happy to be racing. Of course, that's nowhere where we want to be, but it's part of recovery, and we try to enjoy it and don't make any stupid risks. We just go and race with the guys.
That's it. So it's a steady season for you this year.
Yes.
Perfect. Well, best of luck with the races, and great to see you back. Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm just happy that I can ride, and overall I'm just aiming to be back in my, like, to do decent results and to be enjoying everything. That's my goal. Like, I mean, I'm enjoying now and everything.
Back racing GPs, and he has done a 5th fastest on a OS time training. He finished 6th in Lommel in a second moto in a heaviest track in the world, so it's big respect. It's like a miracle. But every GP AJ is finishing, you know, is like a win for us, you know, and emotions. But the next step is get further confidence still, you know, and that comes by with time, you know. He needs time, and I don't have any doubt that he would not make it back to where he was.
I want to come to that point where I'm really like useful rider, would say so, where I can ride really good and everybody in the track would say, oh, this is him riding so nice and so good, you know. That's what I am aiming for. It's not easy, but with a lot of work it comes. If you don't give up, it comes.